Going the wrong way, idiot. If it goes this way. And there's a bike lane. What is this shit? What is this shit? 3 trash cans in the bike lane. Here's your mirrors. Good. I gotta stop for you.
Did you catch a game last night?
Okay.
All right.
Crosswalk. Oh no. Oh shit. Very slow leak, but a leak nonetheless. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Of course. Why the fuck is this coned off? There's no reason. Couldn't park right there.
Sorry.
You're in the bike lane.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, you know, but you do it anyway. Good job.
I know, sorry.
Don't do that. Of course, they know, but they do it anyway. And then there's this Amazon truck. Whole load zone right in front of them. Must be hard to use the load zone right here. School load, but only between those hours. Unbelievable.
collective sticker of shame. They got in on that side. If only there was parking. Like right here.
That's for the bus.
Only between those posted hours. It's noon.
What?
It's noon. So you park in the bike lane.
Really like yourself.
You park in the bike lane instead? Fuck your face. Look at that. They actually parked in a space rather than the bike lane. Thank you. Oh, this is lovely. No one in there. Thank you very much. Bike lane's over here. Yay, they stopped for a pedestrian. Yay. Traffic goes this way. That's a legal turn. What are you honking about? Okay, go. Go. Or wait for the light. Put the phone away. That's a nice bike. It's a shame somebody should just leave it sitting out. Anyone can take it. Put your cart away. Smells like chocolate. Oh, get him, get him. Earbud fell out. Get off your phone. Put the phone away. looking at the phone. They were on the phone.
Day 2.
We're gonna stop right there. Oh my god. You couldn't pull over more? Pull all the way over. It's not that difficult. Run, run! Oh yeah, pack it in. Where are you going? Good job, asshole! Red light. Jesus Christ. Use your legs. Do not enter except bicycles. Whew. There's a loading zone right here. Truck loading only. Yep. Fantastic. What are you scared of? It's your turn, right? Bang! Steps out without looking. Facing the wrong way. That guy crossing from my right, I don't even think he looked this way. He's definitely looking at his phone. Back's already sweaty. That was a red light. phone. Yep. Takes off and still looking down. Wrong way, dumbass.
Hey, fuck you.
Fuck your mom. Good job, blue car.
She was shocked.
Very good.
Oh, yeah. You really gotta watch out. I'm overdressed. And it's so warm.
I know,
I
right?
love your little, is that a GoPro?
Yeah.
I need one of those. I have a GoPro. I need one of those attachments.
Yeah, you should. You should definitely get one. It's just a sticker,
Well, I mean,
sticky
I did
thing.
one where I have a strap that straps around my helmet.
There you go.
That looks better.
There's all kinds of different ways to do it. This is actually a snowboarding helmet,
That's cool.
but
You're
yeah,
using it for your camera.
yeah.
Right.
I very much recommend everybody record their rides. In case any,
I recorded one, and you know, the GoPro, beautiful pictures.
yeah.
Just
Not only is
beautiful.
it good fun to do it, but I mean, like, what if you get hit by somebody? Then you have video evidence, you know?
Didn't even think
Yep.
about that.
Or for me personally, I post stuff to YouTube. Like,
Oh, yeah.
like that car that was there, that's definitely going on
Yeah, I'm
YouTube.
gonna do that too. I'm gonna try doing that too.
Yeah,
I have a little dog, and I'm on TikTok, just one video, but I'm just learning.
nice. Well, I'm Salty Seattle Driver on YouTube, if you can remember that. Yep. I do a lot of, oh, look, another one.
We'll follow you.
Very good, very good.
Salty Seattle driver.
Yep. Because I drive too, but I like to bike.
I know, bike is fun. Have a nice day.
Hey, you too.